What if you could prepare cafe-quality smoothies, creamy milkshakes, crushed ice drinks, and fresh fruit juices in just a matter of seconds? Introducing the 2200W Commercial Smoothie Machine, a powerful blender designed to deliver exceptional performance for cafes, restaurants, juice bars, and home kitchens. Combining high-speed blending, durable construction, and quiet operation, this machine is built for anyone who wants professional results with every drink. In today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at this Commercial Fruit Smoothie Blender and exploring why it's becoming an essential appliance for anyone serious about making fresh beverages. Experience incredible blending power. At the heart of this machine is a powerful 2200W motor capable of reaching speeds of over 22,000 RPM. From frozen fruit and ice cubes to vegetables and nuts, this blender processes ingredients quickly and efficiently, producing smooth, consistent textures every time. Whether you're preparing refreshing fruit smoothies, protein shakes, milkshakes, frozen cocktails, or fresh juices, this machine delivers the power needed for professional quality results. Smooth results every time. The high-speed stainless steel blades are engineered for precision and durability. Their sharp cutting performance easily crushes ice and blends tough ingredients into silky, lump-free drinks while helping preserve the natural flavor of fruits and vegetables. The result is a smoother, richer beverage with every blend. Built for busy kitchens. Designed with a generous 1,000 to 1,500 milliliters capacity, this blender allows you to prepare multiple servings in one cycle, making it an excellent choice for busy cafes, restaurants, smoothie shops, and families. The automatic pulp ejection system helps streamline the juicing process by reducing interruptions and making cleanup faster and easier. Powerful doesn't have to mean noisy. Despite its impressive motor, this smoothie machine is designed for low-noise operation, allowing you to prepare drinks without creating excessive noise in your kitchen or business. Its sleek, modern design fits perfectly into both commercial and residential environments while providing reliable performance throughout the day. Key features: Commercial Smoothie Machine, powerful 2200W motor, high-speed blending over 22,000 RPM, fruit smoothie maker, milkshake blender, ice crushing function, fresh juice preparation, stainless steel blades, automatic pulp ejection 1,000 to 1,500 milliliters capacity, low noise operation, durable construction 110 volts and 220 volts compatible, suitable for home and commercial use, easy daily operation, perfect for juice bars, smoothie shops, cafes, restaurants, coffee shops, hotels, home kitchens, fitness enthusiasts, protein shakes, fruit smoothies, frozen drinks, milkshakes, ice beverages, fresh juice. Whether you're serving customers during peak business hours or preparing healthy drinks for your family, the 2200W Commercial Smoothie Machine delivers the speed, reliability, and blending power you need. From fresh fruit smoothies and creamy milkshakes to crushed ice beverages and nutritious juices, this machine is designed to make every drink smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate notifications for more reviews of commercial kitchen equipment, smart appliances, restaurant technology, and the latest innovations in food preparation.